Hey guys, we're super excited to show you this product that we received from a brand. It's a cordless vacuum. We're gonna unbox it, thoroughly test it out for you. Let's get into it.
All right, as you unbox this cordless vacuum, you've got a quick user guide ready, plus a QR code to register your 1-year warranty. Inside, you'll find a crevice tool, an extension wand, and a wall mount for neat storage. There's a 2-in-1 cleaning tool built for the vacuum as well. You get some mounting screws, an extension brush tool, a charging cable. The floor head is solid with a spinning brush. You get a battery and a spare filter. The main unit has a clear dust canister and a trigger. Now go ahead and put it together. Insert the battery, slide in the extension wand, attach the floor head, and you're ready to go. Pull the trigger to start, hit the max button for extra power. Now on the front, you'll notice a green light that highlights dust and debris, especially in low light, so you can see exactly what you're picking up.
All right, guys, we're gonna take this thing through the ultimate test. We have some crumbs, some flour, some tortilla chips on the floor. We'll see how it does in picking this stuff up.
All right, we're putting it to the test. So we've got 3 different rows of mess. First up, some cereal flakes. You'll notice the bigger pile kind of gets pushed around a bit at first, but there are about 5 ridges on the head unit that help guide and capture those bigger pieces. In the lower spots, it cleans up the debris thoroughly. Next, we move on to the flour. No issues here. It picks up flour easily and leaves a spotless surface. Lastly, tortilla chips. Once again, some big pieces get pushed initially, but with a couple of passes, no trouble at all. Everything ends up clean and tidy.
All right, guys, and that's it. I'm actually pleasantly surprised. This vacuum handled all the dirt really well. It has these nice ridges on the front of it. That way, it's not consistently too high. It actually picks up the high dirt pretty quickly. I mean, it pushed some stuff around as you saw in the video. However, it's also tight on some spots, so definitely get a nice clean finish for you, especially with something like flour or some kind of dust or dirt. So if you're in the market for a cordless vacuum, definitely try this one out.